Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukrainian drone strikes halted refining at Moscow's Kapotnya oil refinery after damaging key units and fuel tanks. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said Ukrainian drone strikes had forced the Moscow oil refinery in the Kapotnya district to halt crude oil processing. The attacks began on the 16th of June 2026 and were repeated on a large scale on the 18th of June. The 18th of June strike was the largest Ukrainian drone attack on Moscow and the Moscow region since the start of the war. Ukrainian forces used long-range FPV-1, Lyuchi, Bobber, Behemoth, Marek and Bar's unmanned aerial vehicles in the operation. The drones hit the refinery as well as two shopping centers and a residential building near Moscow. Local authorities said air defense systems had neutralized more than 190 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles. The strikes damaged the ELOU, AVT, 6 electric desalting and atmospheric vacuum distillation unit, used for primary crude oil processing and rated at 140,000 barrels per day. They also damaged the KUPN combined crude processing unit. 2 vertical steel storage tanks, known as RVS tanks, with capacities of 30,000 cubic meters and 10,000 cubic meters were completely destroyed. 2 additional 10,000 cubic meter tanks were also damaged. Thick smoke rose over the Moscow suburbs after the attack. The fire was brought under control only after several hours. Ukraine's General Staff later published satellite images showing the effects of the strikes. The images indicated that only several of the refinery's dozens of storage tanks had been destroyed or damaged. According to analysis by an OSINT center, the largest explosion was most likely caused by a Russian anti-aircraft missile rather than a Ukrainian drone. Experts said that, after 2 consecutive attacks, the refinery could remain out of operation for at least several days. The facility was then expected to return gradually to full capacity. The damage affected one of the main fuel suppliers for Moscow residents. After the attack, signs of panic appeared in the city. Large queues formed at petrol stations. The Moscow oil refinery, known as MNPZ, belongs to Gazprom Neft. Before the Ukrainian attack, it had an annual crude oil processing capacity of 11 million tons. The refinery is the smallest facility with that level of processing capacity, covering only 284 hectares. Its share of the capital's fuel market is 35%. MNPZ supplies 40% of Moscow's petrol demand and 50% of its diesel demand. It is also the main fuel supplier for airports near Moscow. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.